this tree is it's a nice little tree. It's a, you know, the Acer's really good. But the problem is, if you let the shoots go on, they'll just disappear into the setting sun. So what you have to do, you have to nip them out on a leaf node, which is there above a leaf node. Now that will shoot sideways. Somebody has cut that one off, and it should be nearer the leaf node. Now, just to check the other ones, if you do the other ones the same, you get more of a natural shaped plant. Again, leaf node again, right down there. You can always cut a bit more off. That's it. Nice sharp tools as well, because just check where you've missed any. That appears to have something on it, so we'll take that off. That looks like it's got something in there, like an insect or something. It certainly has. So we'll get rid of that. Now this one wants just nipping up as well. If you go around just nipping them out, that's quite nice, no? That's the front. Yeah. That's broken, that one. So I'll take that one off. That's it. Yeah, that's quite nice. It's just yeah. Right, that's it.